What the fuck?
Is that a boombox?
It's the enemies. I found a hidden area. There's just guys chilling next to a boombox. That's fucking funny. Alright, final boss time, baby.
Holy, you on Overwatch or what?
Dude,
Ow, motherfucker.
I'm rusty now. It's been a week.
It's that week one grind, baby. So you don't want to see my road time?
Your Roadhog? You just stream your Roadhog for
They reworked it.
me. Yeah. Dude.
I think we're just old. We're done.
I think I'm getting old.
Dude,
Aren't you like 19?
19? No. I am not 19. That'd be funny though.
Funny if you're 19.
Yeah. Alright, final boss, baby. What is this? Oh, that's a crazy item. Alright.
You gonna take your clunk out?
Yeah, I can't.
Motherfucker. Oh, I wasn't supposed to get hit by that. One of my robots fucking died. Alright, that's phase one. Oh my god, I forgot. Did I already kill the other one? Oh, fuck yeah. Okay, there's only one gilded one. Last time, this is where I died when I got here on Chef. Now I'm fucking him up. There we go. Oh, okay, that was stupid.
I've yet to do Dark Heart Ticket without a druid in my game, so I literally don't know what he says if there's not a druid.
Does he say something different if there's a druid?
Does he? Yeah, oh yeah, he has a ton of voice lines depending on what kind of druid you have, everything. But does he just shut the fuck up if there's no druid?
I guess. Ooh.
It's actually really cool because it's like, I feel like his voice lines are based on what spec they're playing.
Yeah. That is kind of cool. Oh, fuck. Alright. I'm gonna kind of get into the crazy phase. Okay. Oh my god, fuck me. Oh, please, for the love of God! Oh my fuck. Oh. I'm actually finessing this dude so fucking hard. Fucking dodging all of his attacks, baby. That's how we fucking do it. That's how we fucking do it.